the 3CX app for iOS. Quick and easy to install, download 3CX from the App Store and follow the steps in the Setup Wizard. To complete the configuration, simply scan the QR code from your welcome email or web client. You're now ready to make a call. You can easily set your status to let colleagues know if you're available. If you want to personalize your status, tap on the arrow to open the menu and enter your custom message. You can also configure call forwarding rules and turn accept push notifications off and on when you want absolutely no distractions. Make calls more personal with video. While on a call, just tap the video button. With the quick actions, you can end the video, mute the call, or flip the camera. Send instant messages and files to your colleagues when you're on the go. The user-friendly and intuitive quick actions allow you to easily delete and archive messages, as well as view participants for efficient management of your chat conversations. Open the main menu and tap on voicemails to view and manage your voicemail messages. Simply tap on a message to play its contents and use the quick actions to respond to the caller or delete it. The 3CX app for iOS combines your device's contacts and company phone book, so there's no need to switch between apps. Search for your contact by name, email or number, and use the quick actions to call, email, leave a voicemail, or send a chat message. The 3CX app for iOS enables you to take your Office extension with you wherever you go, so you'll never need to give out your personal mobile number again. Keep in contact with colleagues via the company phone system with voice, chat, video, and more. If you're on the move, not to worry. The 3CX app seamlessly transitions between available Wi-Fi networks and mobile data, so you'll always keep connected. Download the 3CX app for iOS today and head over to the user guide to find out more.